Here's the trailer frame basically constructed. I just finished putting the primer coat on it earlier this afternoon, and it's pretty well dry about this time, so I'm getting ready to put the top coat, or the gloss black finish coat, on it. You can see it's flipped upside down right now, so you'll notice the bolts in the corners. On the face side, which is the bottom, there will be no bolts. The frame's been welded basically all the way around, and I left the bolts on the bottom simply because I didn't see any real need to take them out. They've been red Loctited in place, and they also have nylon lock nuts on them, so they're not going anywhere. In the image right now is the mount for the leaf spring. That's actually will be the left side of the trailer because it's upside down, and here is the right side. So tomorrow I'll paint it tonight. If I think it's dry enough tomorrow, I will go ahead and mount the leaf springs in the axle and get started on that part of it. You'll also notice here the stake pockets, the weld-on stake pockets that I bought separate and mounted to the trailer. The holes in the middle, which would be for the bolts to go through and attach to the 2x4s, I had to drill on my trusty older Delta drill press. The drill press made quick work of that, but anyway, you can see the stake pockets in the various positions. There's 2 on each side and then 2 on each end. That's the front, bottom front you're looking at there, and you can see the mounts for the trailer tongue, which I have not started to put together yet. Again, you can see the bolts. These angular pieces is where the tongue will go through and mount up into this plate right here. So I constructed the frame, welded it together, removed the bolts on the top, cleaned it up really good with mineral spirits, wire brushed it down where the factory paint got burned from the welding, and now she's about ready for her top coat on the bottom side. Let that dry overnight or so. Flip it over in the morning and get started on the next phase after I get the leaf springs and the axle in place. So that's the end of really the first major phase, which is getting the frame put together.